Guys, welcome to my channel, Bitchat TV.
Hello guys, welcome to Betcha TV channel. God bless to all the people who's watching.
Anis ha? Tourist will go?
Victory Cakes.
Where will we go be?
Cottage, Victory Cakes.
Sunday. We will go to drive. Kita kami doon. Of course, be here. Going to Victory Church. In front of
Dominion Rubin because there's
University of
cross thing there.
what school is this be? University of
University of Northern Philippines.
oh, good. Dito nag-graduate yung ano mo, your teacher graduated here in the University of Northern Philippines. Dito na kami sa Victory Church.
O simbahan.
Simba. Simba si Rayo.
Sa Kids Cakes.
Sa Kids Church. Ayan, dito na kami ngayon. Pupunta kami ng church. Victory Church. Ito madadaanan namin. Magsisimba si
There's the
Rayo.
elevator. We're going to the fourth floor. The last floor in this building.
Yes. We will ride here in the
Let's
fourth.
water.
Okay, okay. Fourth.
Now we're going to
Of course. We get inside the elevator. We're
And now
here.
we press the fourth floor button.
Okay. We are in the fourth floor.
We're going to the fourth floor.
Okay. Rayo knows best. Stop ng elevator going to fourth floor. Kasi mag-charge sa church speed si Rayo.
Kids
Okay.
Church.
Kids church. Floor. We're here na in the Victory Church. Ayan na si Rayo sa loob ng Kids Church. Nandun siya. Ayan, ayun sila. Ayan.
Heart for all of us. This is His desire, that there will be no more poor to His people or sa mga tao niya, na wala nang 8.96 million out of school youth, no education dito sa Philippines, no jobs, no money, no food. 8.96 million young individuals are missing out in the educational opportunities that could potentially lift them out of poverty. Sabi ko sa inyo, be generous. Okay, so with that, may I pray for you na nakikilitan na kami. Pero dalawang pagugin mo yung mission namin. It starts with our heart. And may we extend help, not just to our family, not just to our friends, not just to the people we know. Your heart will not be grudging as you give to others. May the Lord bless you in all your work and in all your undertakings. May you open your hand wide to your brother, to the needy, and even to the poor in the land.
Later.
Oh, you eat? You want to eat? Ganun lang. Ang just kasi hindi ano eh. Mababa ko yung just eh. Kasi madali naman.
It's fresh the down water. You know that we're going now.
Okay, get inside the elevator. Ground floor. Okay, ground floor. Ayan, may nakita kami dito ng ano. Ayan. Ayan. Dito. Ayan, may mga pauwi na kami. Tapos na kami mag-ano. Ayan, may daanan kami dito. Ano. Na kami nag-attend kami ng victory dito sa Vigan City. Pauwi na kami, naghihintay na lang kami ng sundo. Ayan, sa likod ko ay University of Northern Philippines. Ay, wala. Ayan, sila. Yan na, ang sundo namin. Dumating na. Sakay na, sakay. Sakay na, sakay na. Sakay na. Urong-urong.
late na nga kami.
Dito, bibili kami dito ng papaya. Hindi na. Ayan, no, may mga ano sila tinda.
Papaya ba ate? Awan? Pang tinola ko ma.
Ayan, dami pala nila gulay. Baka may binta.
Hinog na. Wala yung tanim na papaya. Ay, kakatayin pa lang yun yung ano lang. Oo pa. Kasi bulok. Mas masarap kasi pag hindi pa masyadong malambot yung laman. Pag parang hinog masyado parang lamot.
Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the notification bell, subscribe, share, and like.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share.